Good day, everyone. So today I will be teaching on how to create a Google Drive folder. So here, kindly go to google.com, and then after that, if you already log in into your account, in your Gmail account, you will see on the right side this Google Apps here. Kindly click that, and then kindly scroll down and kindly click the drive. After that, you will be prompt into your drive, Google Drive. And then in order to create a new folder, just simply click the plus new button and then click new folder. And then you may now write the name of your new folder. Let's say, for example, romantic professor files. And then create. Once you already do that, kindly check if it's already okay. So here, so this is now your folder, Romantic Professor Files. So when I click that, uh, the folder is empty because you're not yet uploading anything here. So let's go back to the drive. And then let me teach you now how are you going to share it publicly if you want to share it publicly. So go back to your folder, Romantic Professor Files, and then on its right side, you will see three dots for more actions. Click that and then click share. Now, once you click share, you will be prompt into this settings. So base here for general access, it's restricted. Only people with access can open with with the link. So if you want to change it into public, you may now click anyone with the link. And now it's up to you if you want them to be the viewer, commenter, or editor. So you can choose the role of the other people. Now, if you want to share it already with the others, kindly just simply click copy link and then share it with them through sending it with them and then click done. So that's it on how to create a folder on Google Drive. So don't forget to subscribe.